Spa dia mu. Dekat luar mu. Saya apa?
Don phải cá. Panami datang Dewan Rakyat Pihak Kubur lawa phah lawa si depan bandai ka cibet ha menami logisi padahal jong opor le udiman logisi ram kami kelamu dan jing penbor yang i paidbah ni benta yang i amakhan yang Elaka warawi
future. If you are killing them now, for what you are trying to get those wealth? We don't need money. We need fresh air. Em so we thought about sinadangahing. Kwa prisnya bhi aman ami thoughts. Though you are a millionaire, you cannot buy fresh clean air. Wake up now and smell the smoke. Otherwise, we will die of choke. Thank you.
Khang is new command Khang ya Deputy Commissioner Jongki Central District. Oh ni yo iba udon kemesim habai debat kim lang salang. Oh ngim don ban kono yu namaru di tang nong page hane. Ngim don handai ngi sukmen bat ya kejupop ka ba District Commissioner Badan Buram Jongki Central Jongi. Hadien mengira kendo yu hoi ngila kendo tang kesen kemen kong. Ngi kendo si kendo yu habai debat kani ka kam namar. Kapag susi haba kikna ri du kelatip kajing utung maka tangi kendo cikendo ya disiu jongi but ka respon ada positive respon ke bau ai ho man ngeri gisian ro ai ada ka positive respon ke bau disiu ai menta ong dated from today is dated 3 from dated 4 onwards do unstang ban le no ka kam kabran kam habai de bat kam tam ki to ki cooks ki bayo tangga single window agency kipat day benchna handai kila ya chna mata kito nai khen je kita ke bayo CTE le ngim tip don chi bayo karkung kat at eng yo gena tang armut khat artli kita kibla yo consent to establish pat habangi phai pat sa ka jinglong jongkini ikok ya ikum kila mi kum na kitip ho kumu disi ong ya kene kam un simkhia bat un le ru un aino e notice seki baru khang kerdep ru ya kita ki BPI but kawai ru ngan ong tang kita ki bayo CTE CTO that's not our concern. Our main concern is that to state Meghalaya State Pollution Board pila ban khang pila ban check ikali theo to them ikali what else ya kini ki kok puer ngani thoi pi this is my research BS6 ka ikali ke ba pendakam da ke BS6 mata. One cook is equal to kumba 8,000 teligi kali. One cook, just think one cook. Kila ban boy kita ki device ke jongki to. Ke Elaka Sutnga kalau ke Elaka keberit phah. Very small. Ngam tip kan no square kilometer kendon. Manta ki ba kila settle haduk kumba sau teligi ki NOC ngila yo lembah ke single window. Ke bala pas na government jong KMDA government. Ngaju perlata. Kumu paidbah. When you selected leaders, habang ngijit economic part ki betip. Let's say haduk sab kendai teligi NOC lani kita ki certificate baka single window agency kala ai. Manta kila tahu po Elaka Sutnga manta. Si ingin dim. Lada kawe ki kok ngan estimate pi with full scientifically. Lada kawe ke kok ke temi 10% sab kendai teligi la long more than long inhibitant tang long suka cakapan chong chong kada long kum ketu giwi pat kiri ngam kontok kiwi kiri mo don kiri ki bla long lepa kiri kum kita pi ghost tang lani kiri kaba kibriu kimban se ben hak mino namar kim la chu ben sa this is kani kalau statement kemau kumbo ong Aristotle man is a social animal handre tang kita ke animal, tang kita ki beriu, mau apa social media tolong ki beriu. Tang ki beriu ki penjot yang kajong kesem. Pak kita kena penjot ngan itu baik pi. Kini ki cook factories owners. Pi hun benyo san person nak cispa. Pi hun benyo tang cipo person nak cispa. Pi di kejai beriu jongi. Baru kejai beriu jongi matangi kun kumno begini im. Hoi ngam cip ong bagi bepat kejai beriu. Kejai beriu hanyu trap hanyu skum. Ni persang bani im bani teli kumno begini it. Iwe ngini tre pra mengi. Hoi ngin buram ki weru. Hari mata pat kini ki cook owners pat ki pediang. Kini kalong very sad. Tang sok we ngan pungkun ok ni. Kabanga susi kalong, kabanga jauh umat kalong. Iwe kenarit ibadah rius dan idak wai kum ni. Uble. Isn ese try. Ban penduk pendam no ikini kejing tung na kini cook factories. Isn ese uble. Ban penduk jait no ikini ki karkhana cha ki chnong ki thau jongi bengin don kalawai. Ikena ki berit. Let's say kini ki try cook pela he lasan. Siu lem de menta kalawai jong ngi den habut. Pi pila ban don jing don sem selong. Pila ban don jing don sem go ti Delhi. Hanre. Subha. Da ikini ke sem ka ba. Da ikini ke sem ka ba ubleng ai hanga haping insa. Last thing at only pi kini ken. Kade ke Spanish proverb ka ba ong. God always forgive. Men sometimes forgive. Nature never forgive. When you start polluting the nature, the response will be very ugly. Kaya kita kejing ugly. Heat wave. Kejing pang kiba khala ngi hapmat. Ki cancer ngin yo. Par kita ke. Namar kata. Is ngangam don ngacu duai num taki trakuk nongkong uble un thaulat thaulunti pi penyo do la kemi pat ki kijing tre ban pendok pendam no ikani ke cook factories ko ko incentia jongi uble sibon
ni nak kaliang jong ka ki konsam la kentemo nak napok ka Elaka Sutnga ni wan menta kesini ban yumi paidbah ban pyrchah ya kejing don jong kini ki cook factories lengkat bat kejing lam jong ka environmental coordination committee ni wan hang ni ban pyrchah ya kejing don jeng don be an jong kini ki cook factories ki bam dom biang ki kot kisla bat kini om tang da kadau bakim biang ki kot kisla hendrengi pyrchah juri ki lamar bakta ya ka jing kwa jing khia jong brio kam tamru ingin da kaliang jong ki kenthei ni kwa ba shali sisni ba ki kun jong ni kilong ki kun ki de ki ba anna namar ba kini kalong ka ba unacceptable in a society mo kumbaja chekwe pat ki ri jong hapoh India ki state hapoh India ba bun ki khna ki don ki ba anna na kadau ko jing don jong ka pollution kata ka de kadau ka banangkong di ngi kena kaliang jong ki kenthei ngi nim ka ba kini kan ja ki kun ki siu jong ni bat ru ka we ru kalong ba ka ta ya ka jing mensim kata kedai kedau ke benengkong bat kedau ke baar ke kata ya ke jing ke komring mesing jong ki bru kamtam kito ki temen bar ki bedon ru ya ke asthma ba benmit ha ke por ba ki shat benmit yo to kal air ba ki thang yo to deuyong te kini ka kata yingi ru kan unju ki khandung rumo ki baduna ki badang ang telot ke bor ban fight against those disease ma te kini ke belong yi ban yo ya kata ka jing kata kle ban bat set khamot bat ru bat ka jing tarha jong rendang di ni nak kaliang jong ki kentei ni yang ban ni la pyrchah bat ru ban halor ba ka jing keren ba ka sarkar ba la katu kat ni ki sngi bengi la dap ya shikmat ban ni keren ba ka sarkar ban khang kini kam petiau rei menta ka sngi yang hang ni ban ni ngin dewa yakta ka hok ka jong ni balada ka sarkar kam khang mentaru ngin yang ban hadu ba job ban ni la pyrchah ba ni mti tang na kadau bokim don ni ki kot kisla bambiang kot kisla hendrei na kadau pajing kata ya ka environment jongi ke mei mariang jongi bat kam tamru ya ka jing kwat jing khia ka jongi halor ka sithi banga tha sha prime minister jongi Narendra Modi ka jing karpat ka jonga ka long ba halor ka jing wan jong jing don jong kini ki ko ba ka kadau benengkong ke long ba ka kata ya ki bubun belang ka kata ki kentei armet kan kata ru ya ki briu bela hek kerta but kajing dan be anjong kini kiko ki bumdan ki kot kisla but sha bakani kan sting atho sha ka world environment day kum kadak ban ki ya ka world environment day kam mentoi ai yangi ki bru bangi yar ki chu ki thang dep klem don kano kajing signal barta kajing le bhaya ka mai manya jongi na tho ikni ki sti sha prime minister modi halor kene but den balak phai kala proses ka hapoh meghalaya hapoh I jaga ka hapoh I bedai pe yakni serial ding do de hadal kene dan petiau halor kene ka sti
Since last year that this issue has been started, and then probably they have filed an PIL also in the High Court, and that was not at all giving a very good result to all the people of the Elaka Sutnga. And we ask the people from Elaka Sutnga on a daily basis and on day-to-day basis, we saw that these coke factories are mushrooming every day in our area, Elaka Sutnga, which is head by the lordship under a traditional rule or traditional norms followed by the Elaka. He has been appointed since maybe many years after the law, and he should have take the responsibility for the well-being of the people, for their health and condition. He should see. And what I want to say here is that he, as the head of the Elaka, being the law, he should be very careful, and he should be very educated enough to think about the future of all people from there. Not just being a Deloy and let all the other people do all the work which are illegal. Like yes, they are getting NOC, but no public hearing and all. What is the point? The opinion of the people are not being accepted. They are doing on their own. No responsibility from their side to call for a public hearing. And besides that, the Deloy also didn't give any intimate letter to any respective villages which fall under the Elaka. What I want to say here, when it comes from the NOC which they got from the Deloy, when it approached to the MSPCB, the MSPCB should have their duty to inspect before giving their what we call CTO, CTM, whatsoever, before they operate there, whether they are following according to the norms, according to the condition of the Elaka. Because so many coke factories are mushrooming in our area like anything. They are producing a lot of air pollution. Before we have seen in our village that this area out here in our Elaka are very beautiful. We can see the scenery, we can see like the beautiful rivers, the beautiful beautiful rivers, beautiful landscape and all. But right now what we saw is just the dark cloud. It's like being like a cloud covering the whole villages, like in the whole Elaka it is covering. And the kids are suffering, they cannot breathe. Those who have complication or chronic disease like asthma, bronchitis, it will lead them to death or very harmful for them. Their lifespan will be shortened by these coke factories which are mushrooming out there. We are fighting, we are moving for the people from that area who are mostly not very much educated, since they are a little bit hand-to-mouth people, so to say. But they should be concerned about the well-being of those people who cannot move from one place to another. Since, yes, freedom of movement is there, but when you don't have the money, how you will move? That is the main point. How you will move, how you will buy property somewhere else and escape that hell out there. That is what we call hell. Hell on earth. Where is the pollution control board? What are they doing? That is my question. And what is the NGT is doing? Illegal coal mining, why it's still rampant in our area? Is it the government's fault or the public's fault? Let them answer this question. We as the public, we are not here to decide on behalf of the government. They should decide on behalf of us. We are the one voting for them. They should represent us. They should contribute to the society and they should not neglect the opinion of the people. They are the government servant. Who are they if they don't work for the public? Who are they to give a hazardous impact on our environment? Now the impact is very bad in East Jantia Hills, everywhere. Though some people, Rambai Elaka and other Elakas out here, they are keeping shut because we have known now, everyone know that transaction is going on, corruption is involving everywhere. We cannot deny that. Let me say that corruption is not only in Meghalaya, it's all over India and everywhere. So when corruption, when the state is corrupt, where the people will go? They are supposed to look after the well-being and the society as a whole. And the government servant, they should follow the duty according to their rules. And what their rules are almost all illegal. Almost all illegal. When the government are involved, then we the people vote. What do we have to say? That is the main question to the government. What are your roles in contributing to the good of the people, in contributing to the impact of the environment in our area? What are your roles? Show us your roles. MSPCB, we demand that you give justice to our environment in East Jantia Hills.